Okay, so let's make an elevated Cuba Libre as I was taught by my teacher up in London. And the first thing you're going to need is a highball glass, as always, and we've got one here with some ice chilling. This is built in the actual glass cocktail, so we will get rid of that. So now we've got a nice chilled glass to start building. And for this one, rather than adding lime juice, my teacher added some muddled limes, so we're going to start with that. So we're just going to get... Now I've chopped them up into little sections here. Now we're just going to muddle that to get the juice. You also get some of the nice oils from the skin as well this way. So there we go, we have some muddled limes. Now we're going to start adding our alcohol, and for this you want 60ml of your gold rum, not your white rum for this version. of your gold rum. Right, now you're going to want 2 to 3 dashes of your Angostura Bitters, so I'm going to 1, 2 of them. And then finally top up to about halfway with your Coke. Now I'm going to want to add some ice. And while we've got it at about that level, we're going to give it a little swizzle. And we're going to try and bring some of the limes up from the bottom. Now we're going to add a little bit of ice. Drop the straws. And then we're going to get a little bit of a shaved ice cap on there as well. That down. And finally we will garnish with a little bit of a lime. And there we have it, an elevated Cuba Libre.